Hey people, good day. This is your host Jahidur and welcome to you Digital Insight. Today we'll learn how to increase the line thickness. Okay, so this video is for beginner and don't delay further ado. Let's jump into the video. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe, or if you already subscribed, then thank you so much. So let's start the video. So just click on line tool and space bar, and you need to be click on line toolbar, and then you can see there is layer, right? You can change also color of a line, or you can change also thickness of a line. Okay, so at first I will change the color and then I will change the thickness. Okay, is I will put it 2 meter, but if although I increase the thickness of a line but it's not appear, so what I'm going to do, you can see there is 3-dot menu and I need to be click on there, and you can see there is line weight. It's already tick mark. If your system is not tick mark, you go on tick mark on line weight. Okay, then you need to be click on there. See, this is if you are putting mouse there, you can see show line weight off. So you need to be click it off, on. Okay, and as you can see my line thickness is increased, and this is the way you can change your line thickness, color, and increase your line thickness. That's all about today's video. So we'll make another new video. Until then, tata, bye bye.